guys? Want to sell your digital products automatically? In this video, I'll show you how to create a complete sales funnel in Systeme.io for ebooks, templates, online courses, checklists, and other digital products. Step 1. Log into your Systeme.io account and click Funnels. Click Create, name your funnel Digital Product Funnel, and select Sell as your funnel goal. Click Create. Systeme.io will automatically create the basic pages you'll need to start selling. Step 2. Open your sales page and click Edit Page. Choose a clean template. Update the headline with a clear promise, such as download the ultimate Instagram growth template or get my complete digital marketing toolkit. Add a short description explaining what buyers will receive and how it solves their problem. Step 3. Now customize your sales page by adding a product image or mockup, a list of features and benefits, what's included in the purchase, customer testimonials or reviews if available, a pricing section, a strong Buy Now button. The goal is to clearly explain the value of your digital product and make purchasing easy. Step 4. Next, configure your checkout page. Add your product, set the price, choose your preferred payment gateway, and make sure customers are redirected to a thank you page after completing their purchase. On the thank you page, provide download instructions or access to the purchased product. Step 5. Preview the entire funnel. Test the sales page, checkout process, payment settings, and thank you page to make sure everything works correctly before sharing your funnel. And that's it. You've created a complete sales funnel for your digital products in Systeme.io. If you'd like to build funnels, landing pages, websites, and sell digital products from one platform, check out my Systeme.io affiliate link in the description below.